Carl, where are you? I've been trying to get hold of you. I'm at the Bellagio. HyperWiz Live, we're on a roll, it's sounding great. What? Say that again? You want to leave the world of rock and roll and go back to IT? Are you crazy? Carl, hello, Carl. John, where are you?
I'm waiting. You're here, at Bellagio. I'm also here.
You're at the Bellagio, but I'm at where?
Derreck, I want to make a record. I want to make a solo album.
I can see you.
Only cowbell.
This is new, this is fresh, John, this is great. Let me hear it, play it. John, I can hear you. I knew I could count on you, John. Cow ballads. This is bloody genius. And the fountains. An album of cowbell ballads. Cow ballads. This is perfect. You're a genius.